Welcome. In this tutorial, we will see DHCP spoofing. Spoofing is when cyber criminals pretend to be someone or something else to gain access, steal data and spread malware. And how we will overcome this by implementing feature like DHCP snooping on Cisco switches. First, we will see how DHCP works. DORA process. PC sends a broadcast DHCP server broadcast discover message requesting attaching its MAC address to the locate any available DHCP server. DHCP server replies with a DHCP offer proposing an IP address and other settings. The client responds with DHCP request saying yes, I like that IP address. The DHCP server sends a DHCP acknowledgement confirming the lease and completing the process. What is DHCP spoofing? When a rogue DHCP server introduced into the network, often through wireless access point Wi-Fi, attacker responds to the DHCP discover message faster than a legitimate server. Client may accept the malicious DHCP offer. PC's request for IP address from DHCP server. When the rogue DHCP server offer gets accepted, means it sets its own IP address as a default gateway of the client. Means when the user want to access the internet, he has to go to the gateway. The attacker gives wrong gateway information. PC sends traffic to the attacker, assuming that it's a gateway, and the attacker will change the address and send it back to the internet. All the traffic will pass through the attacker. This is this is called man in the middle attack. Effect of DHCP spoofing. Client receives fake IP configuration, malicious default gateway, and DNS server assigned. Traffic is redirected through attacker. Consequences of attack. Enables man in the middle attack. Traffic can be intercepted, modified, and blocked. User redirect to phishing or malicious websites. Sensitive data like login credentials can be stolen. Why it happens? DHCP lacks built-in authentication. Most LAN do not verify the source of DHCP offer. Open or misconfigured networks are vulnerable. DHCP spoofing can be prevented by implementing DHCP snooping feature in Cisco switch. DHCP snooping all the ports by default are untrusted ports. Untrusted ports are the ports which cannot provide DHCP offer message. If a switch is receiving any offer message on any untrusted ports, it will be dropped. Configuring DHCP snooping on uplink to the DHCP server. Do not configure DHCP snooping on the client's port. Mitigation techniques. Enable DHCP snooping on switches. Mark trusted ports. Use port security to limit devices per port. Combine uh, dynamic ARP inspection for full protection. Untrusted ports are on real DHCP server. DHCP offers yes. Man in the middle attack is not possible. DHCP spoofing can compromise the entire network. Easy to execute in an unsecured environment. Preventable with proper switch configuration and network security features. Welcome in the video of DHCP snooping. Here, first we will discuss about DHCP spoofing attack, man in the middle attack, and how DHCP snooping prevent this type of attack. Here we have fake DHCP server, IP address is 150, and this is our default gateway, router to the internet. The client will access this internet through this default gateway, which is 100, and let's give IP address 192.168.1.1 50 DHCP make service on default gateway 192.168.1.50. It will make its own IP address as a default gateway. DNS is for translating domain name into IP address. Let's start IP address from 10. Press is save it. Make this desktop. DHCP make it on off. I want to show it how this default gateway is registered. Default gateway is genuine 192.168.1.100 router interface. Make it also 10. Save it. This is red. I will make it green by this CLI. Enable configure T interface G0/0/0 IP address 192.168.1.100. This is no shut. This is just to make it green. Otherwise, we are not doing anything in this one. When this PC asks for IP address, this 50, which means that the all the traffic of the internet will go to this default gateway, this our fake DHCP server. From the here, this will make changes, modification, stop traffic, whatever he likes, and then redirect it to the internet. And similarly, the internet traffic will go from here to this fake DHCP, and this is called man in the middle attack. And now I will show you how to prevent this. To by DHCP Snooping, make it untrust. Trusted. So IP DHCP Snooping. By this, all the ports by default becomes untrusted ports. The untrusted ports cannot provide DHCP offer message. If switch received DHCP offer message on untrusted port, it will drop it. Now VLAN 1 is a native VLAN all on all ports. Interface F0/1 IP DHCP Snooping trust. do show IP DHCP snooping. Yes. Now wait. Do right. Do right. Now I will switch on this DHCP server. Save. Now static. Now it will come default gateway is 100. This is genuine. Now fake DHCP server cannot provide IP address or default changes makes in default gateway or DNS server. Thanks. In a world where one wrong IP can expose your entire network, DHCP spoofing is a silent threat you can't afford to ignore. We explored how attackers use DHCP spoofing to become man in the middle, hijacking your traffic and compromising your data. DHCP spoofing, a simple yet powerful switch level feature that blocks rogue DHCP server and secure your endpoints. Stay smart, stay secured. Don't just configure network, fortify them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more practical cybersecurity content.